Welcome and thank you for joining me. My name is Jacques Brisset and I'm with Z-Band Technologies. In this quick video, I'm going to help you change the IP address of your Windows-based machine. This is often the first step in configuring many of the products that Z-Band offers. Let's begin by left-clicking on the Start menu, and we're going to locate and open the Control Panel. Once in the Control Panel, we're going to navigate to the Network and Sharing Center. Here you'll see active networks available. Select the network you want to configure your device for. On my device, I currently have the Wi-Fi turned off, so it only shows one physical connection, the Ethernet 2. I'm going to left-click on this. Next, I'm going to click on Properties, and I'm going to go down to here where it says Internet Protocol version 4. I'm going to select this, but I'm not going to uncheck the box. I just want it highlighted. I'm going to select Properties. Currently, my device is set up for DHCP, but I want to change this to a static IP address so I can communicate with some devices that need configured. Let's select Use the following IP address. In your case, enter the IP address, subnet mask, and default gateway you're looking for. In my case, I am going to put in 192.168.1.50. I'm going to keep the default subnet mask at 255.255.255.0, and I'm going to enter the default gateway to 192.168.1.1, and I'm going to hit OK to apply that. This is going to allow me to set up one of the devices here at the office. Now I can close everything here, but how do I know that my device is now at 192.168.1.50? Well, to check this, I'm going to go back down to the Start menu, and I'm going to open up the command prompt. And here I'm going to type in ipconfig, and I'm going to hit Enter. I'm going to scroll up, and I'm going to look where it says IP version 4 address. And this address is the address of the device that you're currently working on. In this case, I can tell that my device did indeed change IP addresses from the DHCP. It is now at 192.168.1.50. And that is how you change the IP address for your Windows device. Again, thank you for joining me today. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you'd like to learn a little bit more about Z-Band, for more information about our products and services, please visit www.z-band.com. Thanks.